Welcome to Aroma at Usha.
For more delicious healthy recipes from the channel Aroma at Usha, click the subscribe button and click the below bell icon.
Friends, today I am going to show you delicious vegetable biryani. I am preparing this biryani using freshly ground masala. For this vegetable biryani, I have taken 4 cups of jeera samba rice. This is a short grain rice. 7.5 cups of water, 3 cups of chopped vegetables, 1 cup of pre-cooked dry green peas, 2 chopped tomatoes, handful of mint leaves and coriander leaves, 3 tablespoons of oil, 1 bay leaf, 1 tablespoon of ghee, 1 sliced onion, 1 slit green chili, half of lime, coriander powder 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon and salt. To grind, I have taken 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon of shai jeera, quarter piece of nutmeg, 2-inch size cinnamon stick 2 numbers, cardamom 2 numbers, cloves 3 numbers, 2-inch size ginger 1 piece, 5 cloves of garlic. Now I am going to grind the masalas. I am using a roller stone for grinding. You can also use the normal mixer jar. Now these are the ingredients that I am using for grinding. Now I am using the roller stone for grinding. I am placing 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds. Now I am placing quarter piece of nutmeg. Then 1 teaspoon of shai jeera. This is a shai jeera. Then 3 numbers of cloves. 2 numbers of 2-inch size cinnamon stick. Then 2 cardamom pods. I am removing the skin of the cardamom pods and grinding it. I am doing this because it won't grind in the roller stone properly. Add 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. Add 2-inch size ginger. Cut it and add it. Add little water and grind it. You can also grind the masala using mixer jar. Now it's done. The masala paste is very fine. Now transfer it into another plate. Add 3 tablespoons of oil in a heated kadai. Add a bay leaf. Add 1 sliced onion. Add salt. Add 1 slit green chili and saute it until it turns into nice golden brown color. Now add the ground paste. and cook until the raw smell of the ground paste disappear. Now add 2 chopped tomatoes. Along with it, add 3 cups of chopped vegetables and saute it. Now I am adding 1 cup of pre-cooked dry green peas. You can also use fresh green peas. I couldn't get fresh green peas, so I am adding this one. Now add handful of mint and coriander leaves and saute it. Now add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add required amount of salt for the vegetables. Add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and saute it. Now I have taken 4 cups of Jeera Samba rice, that is the short grain rice, and I am cleaning it. Now heat 7.5 cups of water in a thick bottom vessel. Now measure water in the same cup used to measure rice. Now the water has come to boil. Now I am adding washed and cleaned rice in the water. Now also add the vegetable masala. Now add required amount of salt for the rice. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Squeeze half of lime. Mix it. Now cover it with the lid. Place a vessel of water on the top of the lid. Let it cook for 5 minutes in high flame and 10 minutes in low flame. After 15 minutes, I am removing the water. Now remove the lid. It's perfectly cooked. Mix gently. If you want, you can add 1 or 2 tablespoons of ghee. A delicious and healthy vegetable biryani is ready. Serve with papad or raita.